Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Doge just pumped 15%. Elon Musk tweeted a pumpkin, a picture of a Doge and a Twitter t-shirt. And it pumped Doge 15% right off the support, which is beautiful. We're going to jump into Doge, Bitcoin, and I'm going to show you my trades, and I'm going to buy my $1,000 a day that I've been buying of MCRT. I'm the founder of that project. In all of this, do your own due diligence, not financial advice. Crypto is risky. I'm going to show you how I also trade Bitcoin. Hit the subscribe button, join 77,000 people. Smash up the thumbs up button down there on your phone. Smash that thumbs up button. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals, and Bitcoin, look at this massive pump off that support, and now it's going for that previous high at 15. If it breaks through here, the next stop is 16 cents. So Doge having a massive pump. This is the tweet that Elon posted. You can see here Elon Musk 2 hours ago with a winky face. So he's saying that Doge is going to be used on Twitter with a pumpkin Twitter and a Twitter t-shirt and a Doge coin. And Floki also pumped off this news. This was exactly 2 hours ago, which is market manipulation / very interesting. Doge is going to that resistance. If it breaks through 16.8 is the next resistance. A lot of volume coming in. It's a bull flag. And after that, not much resistance till here. So these yellow lines are the exit points that you can get out of, and the support. So yellow lines are, let's make them green, because green is for good. So for target prices, so let's make it, these are the target prices. That's where you could be exiting. If you're looking at exiting, these lines will be strong resistance, 16.8 and 19. But when Elon makes it part of Twitter, it will be quite big. But you have to understand that it's also very high market cap right now. Doge is nearing the market cap of Twitter just from these tweets. And this is the support line if it comes down. So that's what's happening with Doge, which is beautiful. Let's jump into Bitcoin. How do you feel about this Elon Musk market manipulation?
Market manipulation. Bratan, I think the whole time it's crazy how we can move the market, and would we be his friends, this would be amazing, because we could make so much money, Bratan. It's crazy.
If you put $1 million and he was like, I'm going to tweet a picture of a Dogecoin but we all had the information he was going to buy Twitter. Chris, Crypto, bought $400,000 worth. He caught this movement.
The crazy thing is, it was so easy when he bought. You had 1 day time to buy Doge, and then you had still a pump of, I think, 80%. But I don't know. We were in standby modus, blood. I don't know why, man.
Bear market. Still careful. Let's jump into Bitcoin, and now Doge is up 16%. It's still moving. Altcoins pumping. Elon could be setting off a little mini altcoin market, and the BNB also has been pumping the last few days, which is beautiful. MCRT slightly down today. Bitcoin up slightly up. It's kind of it's making a pattern here on Bitcoin. We've got this formation, symmetrical triangle, and it looks bullish actually. It's making higher highs. Look at that. So Bitcoin, it could be doing something. It could be heading to here. So that's, if you're looking at this, Bitcoin is looking strong for a little mini pump going towards here, 21,200. So that would be the target. So I would go long here. I would open a long, and this pump tweet by Elon actually set off Bitcoin as well, which is interesting. And target there, stop loss just beneath the daily support. That gives us a 4.15 risk to reward ratio trade, risking $130 to make $541 without leverage. With 10x leverage, that'll be $5,410. On the hourly, it's also pumping with volume, strong bounce off that support. Target will be that 21,149 on the 15 minutes. Also pumping, looking good. So that's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin. Opening where we are now, stop loss at 20,400, making the stop loss a little bit lower here. Stop loss 20,430, and take profit 21,147, risking 177 to make 541. And on Bybit, you can do easily 10x leverage. So if you go down below, you can sign up to Bybit, and you can do leverage trading. So you can do leverage trading, for example, on Doge, but be careful of leverage. You have to do your own due diligence, risks, etc. You can do up to there's this much different leverages, but I would only do maximum, if you're learning, maximum 10. Even I usually only do maximum 10 times leverage. That's on Bitcoin, on Doge. And if you want to trade Bybit, the link is down below. I'm going to do my daily buy of $1,000 worth of MCRT, which I've been buying for the last few weeks. MCRT here, buy So I'm buying $1,000. Why? Because $1,000 of MCRT gets me 113,000 MCRT. $1,000 gets me 113,000. So at the moment, I'm stacking a lot of MCRT. It is my token. My order is set. I've been buying $1,000 a day of my own. It's my own project though, so you do your own due diligence. But under 1 cent, I've been buying a lot of it. That's Doge. That's Bitcoin. And BNB also pumped a lot. MagicCraft is slightly down. Let's look at what's happening. This is my project. You do your own due diligence. I'm the founder of this, etc., etc. There's a downtrend here. It's retesting that support. We also have there's multiple touches here on this downtrend. So we have this downtrend that broke out, but it kind of sideways moved out of that breakout. So we've got this kind of downtrend here, and we have a very strong support here, multiple touches on this support line here. You can see here 0.008. So there's many supports here. So I'm going to add a support here. This is a descending triangle. Usually they build pressure like this, but again, I am the founder of this project and they break out to the upside, but you have to do your own due diligence, not financial advice, etc. But usually can break the downtrend. This line here would be a target of 1 cent in the shorter term time frame. Let's go on to the longer term time frame. Longer term time frame, when the project was just released, before we had a game, etc., it went all the way up to 10 cents, and then bear market came, and then it just bear marketed for quite a few months, almost 9 months in bear market while we're building the game. We launched the game, it pumped almost 20 times, then its side was moving, still up around 850%. But we have this overall bull flag forming here, which is beautiful. But again, everyone, I have to keep saying these disclaimers. I am the founder of this project. You have to do your own due diligence, consult brokers, etc. It is dangerous. But I want to do TA because that's what I do. So we have this bigger overall descending triangle as well, which is very interesting. If that breaks out and it's coming to a head, it comes out to a head around here, around November 10th. And it's a bull flag, so it's actually quite bullish. 2 cents would be the target, which is beautiful. So that would be green target. And I'll make a dotted line. So that's MCRT. Next video I'll do BNB and the Nasdaq. Let's look at the Nasdaq now, actually, the stock market. See what that's telling us. It's been in this descending kind of channel, falling quite strong the last few weeks. And a bit of a bounce. We got a bounce here off this strong support at 10,000. This support goes back quite a long time. If we look back, you can see that this was a major support that it bounced off, going back to 2020, the bear market. Look at that big bounce off, like a kind of V-shaped recovery. Boom. So that could be following through on the Nasdaq, which will be very interesting. Let's go closer. It looks like an inverse head and shoulders here, right? Kind of inverse head and shoulder, shoulder, head, shoulder. If it breaks out here, the target will be the base of the head, which will be this distance here, which will be taking us to 11,877 on the tech stocks. So we can have a big recovery in the tech stock market, which is actually necessary. So that's beautiful. We could have a 1,000-point move on the Nasdaq. Thank you for watching, everyone. And don't forget, sign up to Bybit down below. You can buy MCRT, you can buy Doge, you can leverage Doge. The Bybit link is down below. You get a $4,450 sign up bonus, and hit that thumbs up button so the algorithm hits subscribe. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.